Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to purchase the VILKUS-62 device from our official store. Follow the step-by-step instructions. The entire process takes just a few minutes. Visit the homepage at DL.GE, go to the catalog section, and select the VILKUS-62 Emulators category. Let's pick the VILKUS-62 Gray emulator from the catalog as an example of what to buy. Review the device description and click the Add to Cart button. After that, you'll be redirected to the store's cart, where you'll see details of your order. Then click the Proceed to Checkout button. You'll be taken to the checkout page. Fill in all required fields, select a payment method, like a credit card, and click the Top Up button to proceed. After payment, you will receive an order confirmation email at the specified email address. We will prepare your order within 30 minutes after payment confirmation. On the same or the next business day, we will hand over your order to the delivery service. Tracking information is available on the order page or in the order completion email. Important notice: sometimes tracking of the package is not available for the first 24 hours. It depends on the carrier services. Normally, it takes 3 to 5 business days to deliver a package to the customer. Thanks for choosing us. Our technical support team is available 24/7. Contact us and we'll find the perfect solution for you.